Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Um, I guess I didn't open the Du Bois post until today, so I've extended the due date to April 20th, and that was totally my fault. Grr, sometimes I think that I thought I had it together and I didn't. But anyways, thinking of you guys. I'll be on the Zoom at 2 tomorrow if people want to get on. Totally your call. I'll send it out with this announcement so you have it. It's the same Zoom that it's been all semester, but I think not everybody found it last week. So again, the Zoom is optional. You don't have to get on it. But if you feel like you're like losing connection and you want to check in, that Zoom is available, or meeting any other time, just setting up a Zoom call with me, email me and we can arrange that as well. So the Du Bois and A Class Divided is the post I want you to do, but you're going to watch the film A Class Divided and you're going to read Double Consciousness in the Veil if you haven't already done those two things. But the other thing that's due in a week is your paper. So between those two things, that should keep you pretty busy. So just continue to work on those things and reach out to me if you have any questions. And then I'll have I'll have other posts for the following week, after the week after the 20th, that are based on these two readings, okay? So, hope you're doing well, and I look forward to checking in whenever you feel like it. Okay, take care.